engineering simulate calculation in SOLIDWORKS. First of all, in part document, create some body. Give me a second, please. In SolidWorks add-ins, activate SolidWorks simulation. Wait for minutes. In window, toolbar simulation, create a new study. From the drop-down menu, select the type of interest in the study, static, and OK. Next, set the parameters of study. Choose material, load and connect condition, and apply material. Select choice IC 304, apply and close. Future advisors, set second please, fixed geometry. Close that windows and select the plate. Some loads, it may be gravity and some force. (100 Newton). Select the entity, OK, and that entity. And run the study. After running, what happened? Oh yeah, okay, some stress. Look at double click displacement, double click strain, and displacement 2. After starting the calculation, after finished calculation, you can create and save report. Save report and option, apply and publish. It's simulate advisor, maybe use for him, but I don't.